Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be changing out my car's transmission fluid. I have my washer fluid here and I have my N&K air filter. I have my washer fluid here and I have my N&K air filter.
What?
Let's unbox this washer fluid. Oh my gosh, there's 6 of them in here. I wonder if I'm gonna have to use all of this. So there's 6. Okay, I have to use all that. Then I have my sticks here. I have different sizes. I have small ones, I have 2 like medium sized ones, and I have like this big one right here. And then I have this N&K air filter. This is what it looks like. I don't know where this is gonna go. Let's put this on. Place your bowl under the muffler to drain your washer fluid. Now I'm going to use the stick to loosen the lug nuts. Okay, I think it's loose. Oh my gosh. Don't forget to catch the lug nut so it doesn't drop in the chocolate. Drain all the chocolate from your transmission and don't forget to put it in the bowl. Okay, all cleaned. Now it's time to remove the air filter from your radiator. Okay. Make sure your bowl is under the radiator so you get all the chocolate out. Now drain the air filter into the bowl. I wish I had some strawberries. If I had known there would be so much chocolate. All cleaned. Now it's time to put the new air filter. Okay. I'm gonna put this on now. Okay, nice and tight. Okay, on there. Okay, perfect. Then we're gonna put the cap back on. All done. Now grab your stick and lug nut and tighten the cap. Okay. Try it one more time. Make sure it's super tight on it. Okay. Okay, I think it's pretty tight. Now it's time to open up the turbo and put your Windex in. Okay. Here's the first one. Remember, you need 4.5 gallons. Here's the second one. It was really confusing because each one had number 1 on it. Okay, second one. Okay. This is the third one. I never knew they made gold Windex. This one's the fourth one. This is the fourth one, so is it half on this one or the next one? I guess a little extra Windex won't hurt anybody. Okay, then grab the last one. Okay, it's the last one. It's the fifth one. I can't believe Windex turns into chocolate. Okay, and then that's it. Take this part off. Okay, and let's close it up. Make sure you recycle and take your chocolate to the DMV. Thanks for helping me change my washer fluid. Tune in for the next video. Don't forget to hype, like, and comment on this video. Bye guys!